Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So let's discuss some important stock market news, stock market update. Along with that, I will analyze the Nifty Bank chart and we'll discuss important key levels for the next week. And with that, I will discuss some one important stock which is in news and stock is from banking sector also, which is taking the bank nifty higher, and that I'll discuss that stock technical chart also, levels also. So to know the important stock market update, nifty bank levels, and that banking sector stock levels also, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular indices levels update and stock market update, global market update. So let's start the video with the important stock market news. Iran-Israel war is paused. Its ceasefire happened, as you all might be knowing all these news. And as I always say that be in the news so that you will be aware the reaction of the market. So these happened. So because of that, our market was just rallying on that day, ceasefire day. And but we don't know, we never know how long it will go, for how much time it has been paused, as America already said that America will attack the Iran again, as it is in news. That I can discuss, but let's see what happens next. We don't know even for next week also, for next day also, what going to happen, as Trump is very uncertain. So let's see what happens. But yes, till now it is the news that ceasefire done, and because of that our market, Indian market, rallied also. And was one important update that this is nifty bank level for the next week. I will discuss the global market and nifty 50 level in Sunday video, so please go through that video also for the nifty 50 levels and global market update, the Brent oil update and everything in that video. Please go through on Sunday video. So let's start the video. The news I have discussed, this important thing happened, because of that the market rallied. And then one more thing, that in July the Q1 season is going to start. So I will update with the important dates which the important company is going to post their Q1 result. This is going to start from next week of July. So that I will update definitely. But yes, now this new season is going to start for the Q1 series, Q1 result series. Now let's quickly go to the Nifty bank chart. Let's see what happened in last week. Then we'll predict the level accordingly on the basis of the technical chart only. News is depending, what news comes, that is not in my control. So let's see what happened. See, last week, the from here the Nifty bank has taken a support. I have drawn this line again, and it's I kept drawing as Nifty bank hit all time high again. Though Nifty bank hit the all-time high again, but still it has not given a good breakout. I can show you in this line, this chart. See this trend line, and this trend line is there where the Nifty bank is taking resistance. See, here it has taken 56,100, then 57,000 around here, and then again it has broken the 57,000, but again it has taken the resistance of 57,400, we can say. So 57,400, 500 is a important crucial resistance for Nifty bank to give a clear cut good breakout. 57,500 should be broken to give a good breakout from the Nifty bank. So still Nifty Bank has not given a breakout, but yes, I will discuss the Nifty 50. There is a very good breakout that in tomorrow's video. So here Nifty Bank, we have to wait, we have to watch next week if Nifty Bank is going to give the going to give the breakout and breaking this resistance trend line, or it is taking resistance and coming back to this support, which is 57,000. I will say 56,100 is the first important support. Then if it is breaking this, तो फिर ये ज़्यादा गिर सकता है. I am not going beyond that for the next week for the short term, because let's see what happens at this level, which is 56,100, and which is this blue line also, which is also supporting Nifty Bank at this level, which is 56,100 again. So means 20 this 20 EMA is also giving a support of 56,100, and this trend line you can see is also giving the support of 56,100. So for me, this has become a very important crucial support for the Nifty Bank, 56,100. So I'm not going beyond that for the short term for the next week. If it is breaking, I will definitely update in next video. So next week video. So 56,100. So you can see how the Nifty Bank is trading this range. We can see this is a rising wedge also. We can call this pattern, and you can see here this is taking a resistance, and downside you can see this trend line, this here it has taken resistance support, and here, and then here, from here it has given a breakout kind of thing, and here again it has taken a resistance. अगर हम इसको आगे बढ़ाए, it will take it little further, again it will give here, here it will be a resistance. So it was earlier resistance, now it has become a good support. So as you all know that whatever is resistance earlier, next it will become good support. So this trend line you can see how important it is. That's why I'm taking this trend line very very seriously, and I'm taking this 56,100 looking for this support. So all in all, we can say that 56,100 pay Nifty Bank can take support. I'm not uh, seeing any big reason to break this support in near term, and the more probability of breaking this trend line is I can see. As you can see, the ceasefire happened last week only, yes, I guess here and this day. So Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, the ceasefire happened, and again uh, I don't remember exactly the day, whatever day it will be, but that day the Nifty 50 also and Nifty Bank also given a very good rally because of the reaction of that market was very happy with this ceasefire news that the war has been paused. So here I guess in last week ही था ये, so last week it has given a good rally from here, from this level, which is 55,000 4 500 500 55,500. So it has a given very good rally because of the war ceasefire, or till here it has given a good up move. So this all happened the last week. Market has shown outperform, shown very good uh, upside. So all in all, we can say that this resistance, which I can say 57,500, can act as a crucial resistance. But breaking this, if the Nifty Bank giving a breakout from here, then 59,000 is not away. I'm seeing 59,000 very soon in coming some weeks. So overall, I can say the Nifty Bank important support is 56,100, and important resistance is 57,500. Yes, breaking 57,500 definitely. We can look for the new all-time of new all-time highs, and even 59,000. Overall, I just mentioned the level of 59,000, but I'm not jumping, only I'm watching this 57,500 level. Breaking this, only I will talk about the 59,000. So please watch, keep watch, and be mindful with 57,500 in next week. If it is breaking, then get ready for the 59,000. So I will repeat the level again, that Nifty Bank important support 56,100, and resistance 57,500. And now I will come to the so now I have just now, as I just mentioned in starting of the video, that one stock I will discuss, which is from banking sector, which is very important to discuss, and its levels also. This is the stock is STFC Bank. Yes, STFC Bank is outperforming, and I can show you. I have drawn this line also here. You can see here also this line, very important. And we can say SDFC Bank is quite responsible for this nifty bank rally also. Means SDFC Bank is taking the nifty bank at higher level, and it is also stock in news, as it was there was important IPO which I have discussed earlier in my one video, SDB Financial Services, this NBFC IPO. I have given all the details. I hope you got this video on time, and got aware of this all IPO detail. So SDFC Bank was in news because of this IPO, and was rallying also for this news. So all the SDFC stock, if you'll see now, SDFC Life also, SDFC Bank also, SDFC AMC also, and this new IPO SDB, financial service and BFC IPO is also coming. Because of all these things, the SDFC was performing very good, was outperforming. You can see even SDFC Bank has given a breakout, and here you can see how clearly, with good volume also, it has given a breakout, and retested also. Here you can see it has touched the level also. So it has this breakout level, which is 50 19, we can say 2000 was a very important level, crucial level for the breakout, and it has been broken. And even yesterday, like Friday, it has taken a very good support at this breakout level, and again went up. So that means the stock has retested also. I'm not saying that it will not break this level, and will not come can't come this support. But still, the HDFC Bank is looking very good for the long term invest. I always talk about the long term investment, and this stock is looking very good for the 1 year 2 year horizon, because it is going to reach even 2000, to already crossed the 2200. I can look for near for long term. Long term means at least for 1 year horizon, it can even reach to 2200 also. So 2200 के ऊपर भी जा सकता है. Okay, so this stock was very important to discuss, which is very much responsible to take the Nifty Bank higher level. That this important line is very important. Support here, once taken as swap support here, and here also, and here it was earlier, it was resistance, as I already just mentioned, that if the earlier resistance becomes support. So here you can see, here it has taken resistance, and now it has become the good support for the SDFC Bank, which is, I can say, 1900 around, या फिर 1930. 1930 can be a good important support for this stock. 1900 also यहाँ पे. Yes, तो 1930 to 1950 is a very good support. 1952 था तो 1930 आ सकता है, 1900 आ सकता है, बट 1900 के नीचे, लाइक बिलो 1900, इफ वी सी, if it's not taking support at 1900 to 1950 around, it's इसके बीच में अगर सपोर्ट नहीं लेता है, like 1900 also, so it may fall more, it may go even below this level also here. So 1900 के ऊपर the SDFC Bank is very good for the long term, and breakout level is 2000. Yes, 2000 breakout level. And this level is also very important, which I just discussed, that at 1950, which is 20 EMA also for the SDFC bank. So overall in detail I have discussed the SDFC bank also. We can say this is stock, this is a stock in news, and very very important stock to keep in your watch list for the long term investment in coming years. And yes, breakout already happened, 2200 के ऊपर भी जा सकता है, 2200 can be a good level for the SDFC bank. So all in all, I have discussed all the detail about the about the levels for the Nifty Bank, about the important stock market news, the important stock SDFC Bank's levels and chart also. All I have discussed in detail. I hope you got all the level very clearly. So I will repeat the level again for the Nifty Bank. Support 56,100, and resistance 57,500, and SDFC Bank support 1930, and already given the breakout. So I can say the target can be 2200, 2200 in uh, future. So like and share the video for the others so that they will be also aware about the SDFC bank levels and Nifty bank levels also, and subscribe the channel for these kind of stock market update, stock in news update, and indices levels update. Signing off.